of Studio. Play, learn, laugh.
Welcome to the Magic Garden, where surprise eggs are waiting just for you. Say hello to our happy surprise eggs! Let's give them a tap and see what's inside. Let's open the red egg. Open, open, open. It's a monkey! Can you say monkey? Now let's tap the blue egg. Let's open the blue egg. Open, open, open. Whoa! A race car! What color is it? Yes, blue! Look at the yellow egg. What's inside? Let's open the yellow egg. Open, open, open.